across nations and across cultures, the cry of humanity remains the same. A longing for hope, restoration, and the healing power of God.
Comfort me when I'm sad. Heal me when I'm sick.
In 2025, a divine assignment unfolded across the continent of Africa. Guided by the words of Christ in Luke 4:18-19, this mission set out to continue the work Jesus himself declared. The Spirit of the Lord is upon me, because he has anointed me to preach the gospel to the poor, to heal the brokenhearted, to proclaim liberty to the captives, and recovery of sight to the blind, to set at liberty those who are oppressed.
My name is Apostle Doreen Fordyce
Jina lake naitwa Mtume Doreen Fordyce
from the United States of America.
kutoka nchi ya Marekani.
Gospel Foundation International Healing Ministries is a Bible-based ministry. Through worship, prayer, and deliverance, we help individuals find restoration. We equip believers to build stronger families and healthier communities. Footprints of Faith Radio shares real stories of healing and hope.